I'm very proud to introduce this new tool, which will ensure that entrepreneurship and investment remain at the heart of our strategy. The current global economic situation, marked by a slowdown of foreign direct investment, calls for a concrete action to facilitate and promote more and better quality investment within the region. In this sense, the Business Country Desk platform represents a real step toward inverting economic trends within the region. The platform aims to assist and boost regional development and create a strategic and sustainable network. This is done through a three-pillar structure: the Met Business Help Service, business matching, and the partnership tools. Those will allow users to gain better access to the market through a complete and constantly updated information on the business climate context, on the main economic operators in the region, and will enable direct contact with the potential partner. We believe that the Business Country Desk platform will become an indispensable reference tool for small and medium-sized enterprises and investors seeking new business opportunity in the Mediterranean region.
The Business Desk platform certainly constitutes an important and appropriate tool to connect businesses in the region, to promote networking, and give access to essential information on trade and investment regulatory frameworks. And I'm convinced that it will be a great help to foster partnerships across borders and facilitate trade and investment decisions. I therefore encourage the step taken for a successful rollout of this tool in the region in the coming weeks and months.
What we are suggesting, is really to look at the experience of Alibaba. Alibaba has been a digital platform that has brought in SMEs, giving them credit, having B2B exchanges, and this is something that has been propping up the economy of countries like China. And the concept of value chains worldwide on a geographical basis is diminishing. So having digital platforms upon which, you can have value chains upon which supply and demand can operate, I think is not the norm of the future, is the norm of today. And this is something I would think that within the Euro-Mediterranean area with Africa and Europe and the Mediterranean countries to have a kind of Alibaba kind of digital platform, notably that in the post-COVID era, a lot of companies are reshoring and onshoring. So, this movement, we can set a platform upon which we can bring in a lot of participants in the region, in the same concept by applying all the digital tools, digital credit, to help, alleviate poverty, have growth expansion within the same concept that has been adopted by the Alibaba kind of things, So, this is something I think would be a monumental task, but it's something to keep in hindsight and consider, because I think this would be one of the tools that would accelerate the progress in this area.
Je pense que l'initiative des Business Country Desk est très importante. Quelles sont les nécessités des entreprises pour s'internationaliser? Connaître la législation, les normes, connaître les opportunités données par les foires, participer à des country presentations sur les pays ou sur les secteurs dans plusieurs pays, chercher de trouver des partenaires et faire des B2B. Et donc, ces exigences des entreprises pour s'internationaliser trouvent dans les Business Country Desk digitalisés, donc dans cette initiative, leur réalisation. C'est pour ça que cette idée, cette réalisation, pendant la pandémie, donne un élan à les possibilités des entreprises de s'internationaliser.
So the Business Country Desk concept, as exposed by Mr. D'Agata, was an idea that was dreamed by BusinessMed members. It was 14 years ago. in order to facilitate business and trade between Euro-Mediterranean region. And now the concept has been digitalized. So the concept is now a platform for business integration in a kind of easiest way that can be done through a virtual space. So it's completely corresponding to the needs of the new work of today, particularly with the COVID-19 situation.